You can spot him from a mile away, the freshly relocated Indian tech bro in Dubai. Fresh polo shirt, Apple Watch, brand new sneakers, and a confident LinkedIn bio that reads Digital Transformation Expert, Dubai. He talks in half-accented English, half Hindi, and throws in bro and boss in every sentence. His weekends? Marina selfies, Dubai mall check-ins, and chai at Carrick House. In this video, I'm breaking down the hilarious but true starter pack of every Indian tech guy who just landed a job in Dubai. From hunting job groups on WhatsApp to landing that golden opportunity. They go from Gurgan to Gulf in 90 days and boom, their whole vibe changes. They become Excel gurus by day, crypto brothers by night. Suddenly every Instagram story has hashtag Dubai life and hashtag grind never stops. Their family back home thinks they're working for NASA, while in reality they're debugging reports and surviving back-to-back Zoom calls. But you gotta respect the hustle. They've mastered the art of ambition, jugaad, and adjusting to life in a new city. Whether you're already in Dubai, planning to move, or just know that guy, this one's for you. Tag your tech bro friend who fits the Dubai starter pack perfectly. Let's start with the most obvious giveaway, his bio. It's like decoding a secret language. Open to work and relocation are the holy grail. Throw in some hashtag UAE and hashtag new beginnings for extra flair. We all know the drill. You slide into those job groups on WhatsApp, hoping to strike gold. The competition is fierce, but the reward, a golden ticket to Dubai. You've got the coveted work visa, the starry-eyed excitement of exploring a new city, and a burning question. Where can you buy cheap alcohol? Welcome to the club, bro. Your first few weeks are a whirlwind of new experiences. You navigate the Dubai metro, marvel at the Burj Khalifa, and contemplate why your skin is suddenly drier than the Sahara, but fear not. We've all been there. You conquer the art of the perfect cup of chai, hunt for the best samosas this side of the Emirates, and realize that yes, you can actually afford to eat out every day. Your inner foodie awakens and your Instagram feed becomes a testament to it. As the weeks turn into months, you find your groove. You're slaying those Excel spreadsheets by day and dodging crypto scams by night. You attend networking events, hand out business cards like they're going out of style, and wonder why your LinkedIn connections keep increasing. You've officially joined the coolest WhatsApp groups. The Desi in Dubai and Dubai Indians where job leads, travel tips, and Bollywood gossip reigns supreme. You've also perfected the art of the where are you from answer. And no, you're not from Mumbai, Delhi, or even India. You're from here, you say, pointing to your chest with a straight face. But let's be real, the struggle is real too. You battle the soul-destroying heat, fight off homesickness, and question your life choices when you see the next snowfall on your feed. You yearn for a good biryani, miss your family's cooking, and find yourself explaining the concept of thali to your confused colleagues. You also realize the gravity of the Dubai is not for everyone, advice you ignored. But hey, you made the move and you're here now, so chin up. This, too, shall pass. Until then, grab a cup of Arabic coffee, embrace the chaos, and remember, you're not alone in this journey. There's an entire community of Desi in Dubai going through this same roller coaster ride. So, cheers to that.